As hairstylists, we all know that tracking your income and expenses and doing all of the tax paperwork is probably the worst part about our job or about being self-employed in general. And I'm going to be honest that I used to be the type of person that would literally leave all of my stuff until the very last minute at the end of the year and then be drowning in paperwork trying to figure out how much money I made, how much money I spent, and again, how much money I was going to owe to the IRS at the end of the year. And it was such a struggle, and I hated it every single year. And now I have the perfect system to track it daily, but super simple, takes less than 5 minutes. And I'm super organized when it comes to the end of the year for tax time, and I want to share with you my system. But if you're new here, my name is Caitlin Brett. I'm a hairstylist and salon owner of 10 years, and I absolutely love to share all of my tips and tricks for keeping my business organized so that I can have a better work-life balance and enjoy my days off instead of drowning in all of the back office things as being a hairstylist. So if you're interested, make sure to keep watching. We're going to jump into my super simple system to keep track of your income and expenses. I have a mock schedule pulled up that I actually created the other day for another video that's already up on my channel if you would like to see how I create my dream schedule. But I did not put the income in here because that's a totally different video, which we're working on today. So I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can kind of see where my schedule is over here. We're going to go in and input the income. So we're just going to make up some random numbers, obviously, because this wasn't a real schedule for my day. We just were kind of making it up as it went along. I'm going to say that Beth spent $200, Susan spent $400, Karen spent $200, Kelly spent $300, and Sharon spent $175. I like to typically just look at the day at a glance at a time, and then I'll go back through at the end of my day and fill these out, but you are more than welcome to fill this out as your day goes along. So we're just going to go ahead and add in what each client paid us. So of course client 1 is going to be number 1, and then we will go down the line. You guys kind of get the gist. And then we can add our expenses in over here. So I'm just going to say that I ordered some hair because I have that on here, and then my salon centric order. To write where I spent the money, and if I need to, I can write like what I spent the money on, but I will know, of course, where these came from. I'm going to put that my hair order was $1,000. My salon centric order was $600. So what I like to do at the bottom here on the notes section, I typically don't have any notes to add in, so I'll just add up my totals and put them at the bottom. So I spent $1,600. I made $1,275. And that is literally it. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to do. It's super simple. And then after this, what I do is I go into my income and expense tracker on Google Sheets, and I just type in the numbers once per month. And it takes me maybe 30 minutes to do the entire thing because the numbers are already added together and I know exactly where I spent the money. So that is pretty much it for how I track my income and expenses. I know this was probably the shortest video of all time, but it is seriously that simple, and I wanted to not overcomplicate it and make you guys think that this was something that was going to take a lot of your time, because we are busy, we have lots to do as hairstylists, and the last thing we want to do on our days off is taking care of our income and expenses. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have lots more videos for hairstylists coming this year. They'll be posted every single Monday. Hope you guys have a great week.